Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your Pelin and Hawthorne here with another unboxing. This shipped from Pittston, Pennsylvania. This is from Sweet Baby Ray's themselves. I paid for this with my own money. I am not sponsored by Sweet Baby Ray's, but I would love to be. Holler at your boy. If you have jerky, if you have hot sauce, barbecue sauce, holler at your boy. If you want to send me some, I will try it and I will give you my honest opinion. I'm going to love it. I know I'm going to love it. But yeah, I paid for this with my own money. They had a 4th of July deal. Wow. Okay. All right. So first up, this is award-winning. The sauce is the boss. Sweet Baby Ray's Mango Habanero. Yeah, so here's the macros. I've never had this. I think it's an exclusive. Same with this one. This is award-winning. The sauce is the boss. Sweet Baby Ray's Gourmet Sauces Honey Hot Wing Sauce and Glaze. Never had it before. That's what it says for Mango Habanero. I like to, if I grill chicken, baste it in there and dip it. And then last but not least, something these are all 3 things I've never bought before. Yeah. Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. Great on wings, omelets, burgers, chili, seafood, and tacos. The premium aged cayenne peppers and garlic in Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce create a balanced blend of heat and flavor to make this the perfect sauce on the side or whatever you're eating. Now more than ever, the sauce is the boss. Sweet Baby Ray. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sponsored by Sweet Baby Ray's, but I would love to be. Holler at your boy. Cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help support my channel. If you want to recommend some barbecue sauces, you want to send me some, I will give you my address. That's right. Now, if you come at me from sweetbabyrays.com and say, hey, let's send you some stuff, taste test, review, just because you're a nice guy, let me know and I'll do it. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I really wish you the best. RippedApparel.com, onceuponatea.net. Use my username, London Hawthorne. Save some money off some shirts. And just be safe. Have fun and barbecue.